What if the next global conflict didn't start in just one place? Today, top military minds in the US and NATO are warning of a dangerous possibility: a coordinated strike by Russia in Europe and China in the Indo-Pacific. This isn't just theory, it's a growing concern backed by exercises, strategy shifts, and urgent warnings from those at the top. US General Alexis Grinkwich and NATO leaders are zeroing in on the year 2027, a potential flashpoint. That's when China might attempt to seize Taiwan, and Russia could strike NATO's eastern flank at the same time. The result? A two-front war stretching from the Baltics to the South China Sea. And the clock is ticking. NATO's top commanders say the alliance may have just 18 months to prepare. That's not just about troops, it's about munitions, logistics, and political will. This isn't just two countries acting alone. Military intelligence believes Putin and Xi may coordinate to split the West's attention. Joint air and naval drills near Alaska, Taiwan, and Europe already hint at that possibility. NATO is no longer planning for just one regional crisis. From Griffin Lightning 2025 to Formidable Shield, NATO exercises now simulate multi-theater warfare, preparing for global operations across land, air, sea, cyber, and even space. To stay ahead, NATO is stationing 8 battle groups along its eastern flank. Troops from across Europe and North America are rotating through these frontline nations, ready to respond within hours, not days. New agreements, like a military Schengen, allow fast troop movement across borders, especially in emergencies. Behind the scenes, factories are being retooled. NATO states are boosting production of air defense systems, drones, and long-range missiles. Some nations aim to spend up to 5% of GDP on defense by 2035. New systems use AI and cloud computing for faster, smarter threat detection and response. In 2025, NATO's skies are more protected than ever. F-35s patrol Poland. Mobile air defenses cover the Baltics. Naval units with cutting-edge missile tracking roam the North Sea. All coordinated under massive exercises like Formidable Shield, testing the alliance's ability to shoot down ballistic and aerial threats in real time. One scenario: China invades Taiwan. As US forces shift east, Russia seizes the moment, launching a lightning assault on the Baltics. It's not just war on two fronts. It's a test of NATO unity, speed, and strength. And both Russia and China may use nuclear posturing to deter a Western response. That's why NATO is expanding partnerships from Ukraine to Indo-Pacific allies. Why weapons factories are working around the clock. And why drills, doctrines, and deployments are changing fast. Because the next war, if it comes, won't give warning. It will demand everything everywhere all at once. This is more than preparation. It's a race against time.